What if I told you that just 3 simple investing secrets could change your financial future forever? Imagine a life where your money works for you, where financial stress is a thing of the past, and where you wake up every morning knowing you're on the path to wealth. Sounds impossible? It's not. Most people think investing is complicated, risky, or only for the rich. But today, I'm going to break down the 3 powerful, time-tested secrets that the wealthy use to build financial freedom. Secrets that you can start using right now, even if you have 0 experience. Stay with me until the end, because the 3rd secret is the real game changer, the one that separates struggling investors from those who achieve lasting wealth. Let's get started. Albert Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world. Warren Buffett built his empire on it, but most beginners ignore it. What is it? Compound interest. Think of it like this. Imagine you roll a tiny snowball down a hill. At first, it's small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing bigger and bigger. By the time it reaches the bottom, it's a massive snow boulder. That's exactly how compound interest works with your money. Let's break it down with a simple example. If you invest just $100 per month starting at age 25, earning an average 8% return, by the time you're 65, you'll have $349,000. But if you start 10 years later at age 35, you'll have only $146,000. That's over $200,000 lost, just because you started later. The key takeaway? Start investing early, even if it's small. The longer your money compounds, the more wealth you build. Quick question, what's stopping you from investing right now? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. Here's a shocking truth. You don't need to be an expert to win at investing. Most people think they need to analyze stocks, time the market, or constantly buy and sell. That's a losing game. Instead, let me introduce you to a secret the world's top investors use. The 80-20th rule of investing. This principle states that 80% of your investing success comes from just 20% of your actions. So instead of wasting time chasing hot stocks or trying to predict the market, focus on the 20% that really matters. Invest in low-cost index funds. Funds like the S&P 500 historically return 8 to 10% per year on average. Even Warren Buffett recommends them. Stay in the market long-term. Studies show that investors who try to time the market often lose money. Time in the market beats timing the market. Automate your investments. Set up automatic monthly contributions to your brokerage account so you never forget to invest. Take the legendary investor Jack Bogle, the creator of index funds. He built a strategy that helped regular investors grow their wealth without stress, without trading, and without fear. That's the power of the 80-20th rule. So, are you going to chase risky stocks, or are you going to take the smart path? Let me know in the comments. Now this is where things get interesting. You might be thinking, okay, I'm investing, I'm using compound interest, I'm in index funds, but how do I reach financial freedom faster? Here's the real secret that the rich never tell you. You need multiple income streams. Think about it. Most people rely on just one source of income, usually their job. But the wealthy? They have 3, 5, or even 10 different streams of income. Let's look at Jeff Bezos. Before Amazon was huge, he wasn't just relying on book sales. He expanded into multiple revenue streams, AWS, subscriptions, advertising. That's how he built his fortune. Now, let's bring it back to your life. How can you create multiple income streams while investing? Stock dividends. Some stocks pay you money just for owning them. That's called passive income. Real estate. Rental properties can create cash flow while growing in value over time. Side businesses. An online store, freelancing, or even YouTube can generate extra income. Interest and royalties. Writing a book, creating an online course, or investing in peer-to-peer lending can generate passive cash flow. Now imagine this. You invest in stocks, earn dividends, own a rental property, and have a small side business. Each of these income streams feeds into your investments, multiplying your wealth faster. Financial freedom isn't just about saving money, it's about growing it from multiple sources. Which income stream are you most interested in? Type stocks, real estate, or side hustle in the comments. Now that you know the 3 secrets to financial freedom, here's what you need to do next. 1. Start investing today, even if it's just $50 a month. Let compound interest work for you. 2. Keep it simple. Focus on long-term investing with index funds and automate your contributions. 3. Build multiple income streams. Don't rely on one paycheck. Grow your wealth faster with dividends, real estate, and side businesses. The choice is yours. Stay stuck in the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, or again, take control of your financial future. If this video helped you, hit the like button to spread the message. And if you're serious about mastering investing, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Question of the day: what's your biggest financial goal right now? Drop it in the comments. I reply to as many as I can. See you in the next video. Keep investing, keep growing, and let's build wealth together.